In this video, I will show you how to use promo code in OneXBet. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to use a promo code in OneXBet, here's what you should do. The first thing first, you click on registration. As you click registration, you are going to come over to by email. That is the only option that promo code is going to work with. So once that is done, click on your surname and add your surname and name. Choose your country. Once you choose your country, your currency is going to change according to that country. For instance, we have the US dollar here. Put in your date of birth and email address. Fill in a phone number in the password. You are going to create a password using these four details or requirements. Once that is done, in the promo code box, you are going to use the promo code LEOTV. So this is the promo code we are going to be using, LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300 as bonus. So click on these last three boxes and register your account. Once you register your account, your promo code is going to be activated once you complete your first deposit. So after registering your account, go ahead and complete your first deposit immediately and deposit any amount, any reasonable amount, because any amount you deposit, you're going to receive 300% bonus of that amount. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.